Hey, this is Reese Wangler. We're going to start off by making the world record paper airplane. This airplane flies really far, and let's get to it. Grab an A4 piece of paper. What we're going to do here is we're going to split it in half like a hot dog, and then we're going to slowly and do a really nice fold here. Using those huge popsicle sticks you can get at the dollar store really help with this for folding, so just use that. Okay, now you're going to unfold that and you're going to fold the top right corner down until you make a nice triangle. Make sure you line it up with the edge. And crease that. So now you're going to unfold that and do the opposite way. Now crease it. Should be a nice X. Now what we're going to do is take the top right corner and fold it onto the line that we just made by folding across. So you're going to crease it with your fingers first. Make sure it's right on the line. You're not off the line, but you're right on it. Now you're going to crease it with your popsicle stick. Now once you're done, repeat that for the other side. But instead leave this one piece in. So you're just going to take it down. There's a line there. You're going to fold it onto that line and it's going to automatically fold for you. Use your popsicle stick and crease it. Now use your popsicle stick to go all the way down. Just makes it quite a bit more even so there's no wrinkles. Now you're going to fold the top down to line up the two lines that you'll see when you fold it down and line them up with the lines that you folded with the triangles earlier as seen here. Now you're going to take the lines that you just lined up and you're going to fold on those lines, making sure that the inside of the side is lined up with the center. Repeat it on the opposite side. Now use your popsicle stick to go on that side, and then you're going to go straight down the middle. You can see my friend here on the side, he's making the same one. And then you're going to take the little tab that's at the bottom and you're going to fold it up over top without bending the paper on the sides. Fold it up, make sure you crease left side, right side, all the way up and through. Make sure you creased everything. Now you're going to pick it up and fold it back. And you're going to really make sure you do not the last tip, but the one that's right, the angle just before the back. You're going to make sure you really want to get it on and line up those two. You're going to hold it nice and even. Gently crease. Crease. Use your popsicle stick. Now you've got pretty much done here. This is the world record plane. And you flip it over to the other side. And you're just going to fold down the wings in a second here after I do all these folds. You're going to fold it down just so that second last tip lines perfectly up with the bottom. I want it to line up perfectly. Make sure the nose is nice and tight. There's no spacing in between it. You fold it with your popsicle stick gently. Then right on the last quarter, don't do it as hard. Repeat on the other side. Here, you really want to line up these last tips and side tips. Make sure they're really straight. Gently crease, crease, then use your popsicle stick in a second here. Yeah, you really want to get those last edge really nice for it to fly perfectly straight. Now there is throwing technique as well. So right now you're going to bend it by the front or by the back, and you're going to pinch the back, not the front, or else it'll bend your wings. Now just to end it off, you're going to take just the width of just the end of your fingernail, and you're going to pull it back. The more you pull it back, the more it's going to go up, and the less you pull it back, the less it's going to go up. So adjust that to how you want it. Make sure they're both about the same. And you add a little dihedral by lifting the wings just up a little bit more, because when you let go, the bottom's going to come open a little. So yeah,